What's up, guys? It's Drew back at it with another video. Parts. Cause I haven't been driving this car, so I literally got like an hour to clean this, then I gotta go get a wash. Cause look, and then we gotta go to the show. Hopefully we get some awards. This is just the first thing I saw, so it's just the first thing we're gonna use. We're doing the old school Puerto Rico wash. It's definitely good. All right, let's go. And just like that, we're done. We're done. Inside is done. Super clean. I gotta do the floor mats. Fucking turbos. I know this is all-wheel drive. Sauce. So there's a mobile dyno, and I'm putting my car on it. I'm gonna see how much power it's making right now. There's a whole bunch of cars over here. So we gonna see how much power we making. We're gonna be lit. It's lit car meet right now. This S6 just made 421.
How you guys Civic up next?
Turn it off?
Yeah,
We got this thing up here. It's supercharged.
Yeah, no, so it's not boosted.
Basically boosted, but
Like that?
yeah. And then Ju. J-U. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
I'm trying to get 5.
Close, yeah.
This is a heartbreak dyno.
I know it's a Mustang, it's fine. So does it typically, it reads it higher or lower? Or lower, yeah. I didn't understand how it was at first,
count of three, it's your time to shine. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, bro, you can't be. I can't, bro. Bro, what? I can't. This shit belongs over there where everybody can see it, bro. The slicks in the back. Oh, no. Damn! We got Japanese lettuce.
Yep.
Yo, we on the way back home. I won a trophy, baby. I told you I was good. I all that washing and cleaning I did this morning, it wasn't for no reason. I got my trophy. And I put my shit on the dyno. Everybody was like, ah. Hey. Let me see if my shit pop. I'm back home. She's still looking clean. Got a nice little top 25. I'll take it. Babe, I'm trying to record. Hurry up. Yeah. First ever car show, got top 25. Made 366 on the Mustang dyno. So that's to the front wheels. So let's go.